Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. So as you can see right now, we have the new ThermalTake Tower 600 Bubble Pink Edition right here. So you already know what we got to do. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Okay guys, so here we go right here. Here's the Tower 600 Bubble Pink right there. Let's get this out of the way. Here we go guys, so this is the Tower 600 right here, Bubble Pink right there. As you can see everything there. Okay, so up top guys, on top of the IO right here, you get 140s that come with it. So you get two 140s. So let's take that open really quick. As you can see right here, get the two 140s. See right there. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if I'm going to keep these on here. I might replace it with my 120s. I do have a couple RGB fans like that. Also got stuff from Leon Lee. So I'm going to start building in here. I will be using the motherboard that I got sitting right over there. Yeah, it's going to look like a nice fun build. I can't wait to get started on it. I don't know if I'm going to actually show the build because there's a lot of stuff I got to do and I'm pressing for time. So yeah guys, this is everything and I'll catch you guys later. That's it and I'm out. Deuces. Wow. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the BY Easy gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it and I'm out. Deuces. Wow. Peace.